Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm here at Frankfurt Auto Show 2019 and I have right here with me the new Opel Astra Sport Tourer Estate or Combi, the way you want to call it, and I will review it for you guys. Here are the information. This car price start at 20,000 euro. This is the start price, and this car right here in front of me, the price is 39,000, almost 40,000 euro, with all the option that you will see in the next minute. Also here you can check out some info. If you are interested, you can pause the video and read it. We will start with the exterior with the new LED lamps. So this car price 40,000 euro with what you see right now in the video. So we have 6 parking sensors in the front, full LED lamps in the front as well. The front grille, it's almost the same as the previous model, a little bit of facelift here and there, and that's the new car. The interior is different and I love it. I will show you in the moment. We will go in the moment in the interior and you will see all the information there. Also outside, I like the lines of the car. It has some interesting lines. Here the mirror, as Opel usually do, the blinkers here on the body. So the blinkers still stay on the body, not like the new Opel Corsa where we have the blinker on the mirror. Here we have the camera for lane assist and reading the traffic signs. Also here around the window we have this black glossy plastic on the upper side of the window all the way through the back. You can see the black line coming to the back. They do it nice. Also beautiful LED lamp design in the back. A little bit change if you see from the previous model. A little curve down there and make the difference. We have in the back reverse camera. Also 6 parking sensors in the back as well. Very useful when you want to park. We don't have any exhaust pipe down there. That's quite interesting. They chose to hide the exhaust pipe under the car, and this is kind of not a bad things, but yeah. Anyway, the wheels. Here we have black wheels, sport black wheels, 17-inch rims. You can also see it. They look okay on the car because we have this black trim, black design on the car, and they try to make a design to fit good with the rims as well. Let's go in the back to show you the trunk. The trunk is huge. I have to warn you before. Like the previous model, this model, it has a huge trunk. We have flat floor entrance here in the trunk. A lot of space here. As you can see here, you can load plenty of stuff. Open it this, and under here we have a spare tire. Actually, it's not a spare tire, it's a space for spare tire where you can put your repair kit and all that stuff. I like those buttons here, so you can fold down the seats very easy. You just pull the buttons 1 second. You have the seats folding down. You don't even need to go there in the front to have all that space. You can even sleep in the car. Huge space, huge interior space. Great job, Opel. In the interior, it's cool, and also the quality, material quality, it's pretty good. Down here you still have plenty of space to put something, and I like the fact that this step there in the middle is not so big, so it has a little step there in the middle of the car. Also the roof has good quality. Here in the middle we have some light, LED light lamps. They don't work now. I don't know why they don't work. Anyway, and you can pull back the seats. Very simple, very easy, but you have to take out the seat belt first time. On the side here we have some plastic on the side, so don't expect to have leather, but the seats are very well made leather, combination of leather with Alcantara in the middle. So these 40,000 trim level come with leather seats with Alcantara. The front back seats have also leather here in the back. Of the front seat we have a big window, good visibility from the interior. Also down here we have kind of a plastic, and down here leather. So upper side plastic, here in the middle leather. The buttons are normally plastic, black matte speaker also in plastic. So the doors are not big deal, the same like the new Corsa. If you see my other video with the new Corsa, you see that the doors are not big deal, but the car it's big deal. It has a lot of cool stuff. So check out on my channel the other video with the new Opel Corsa. It is super cool. The car is great. Here in the middle we have a center armrest from leather. Also down here we have heated seat, two USB ports, very useful in 2019, and I love that step. It's so small. Now a little bit of blink here in the middle. We have Alcantara in the middle of the seat. They are very comfortable and it's plenty of space here. I will show you in a moment. So let's go inside the car to show you the space. Now, as expected, plenty of space on my knee. For me, it's no problem at all being in this car, and also the seats are very comfortable. A lot of space on my feet there. Upper space. Oh, huge space. Look at that. Look at that. Great space. Great visibility also on the windows. We have a hook, a handle, and the visibility on the window. It's fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. I like it. Almost no blind spot there in the back. I like that. I go in the middle right now to show you the space in the middle as well. On my knee, also huge space here. And also you can see the front seats are in normal position, so you don't think I put it down in the front. And on my head, huge space. Great job. Now let's close the door. Actually, I closed this door. Look at this huge space for other person, so you can carry three people here in the back without any problem. I probably will see this car, a lot of this car on the street. It has a full option premium packet. We will go in the front and I will show you. It has the new digital cockpit and also the new multimedia system. Actually, yeah, not so new, but the cockpit it's kind of new and it's super cool. I like it. A lot of great things here. Even the steering wheel, it's leather and great. Anyway, guys, if you have question about the car, please feel free to ask me, to send me your feedbacks. Big entrance in the car, and I will answer you to all the questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Like it, share it with your friends, and thank you very much for watching. Also, keyless entrance in the car here. You can unlock the car only with your key in your pocket. Big window as well. I don't understand why they put that little pillar there. Anyway, upper side plastic, as I told you. Here it's also plastic. Only here we have this black glossy plastic and leather on the left side. In the middle of the door right here it's leather, and down here plastic, and the grille speaker pretty they are pretty good quality. Opel at the entrance down here, the logo it is there. Also we have manually adjustable seats. As you can see here, you can adjust the position the way you want it. The quality of the seats are great. No wonder they are very comfortable, I have to tell you. So I sit on them and you are great. You are safe in this on these seats. Anyway, going forward, aluminum pedals there, as you can see it. And here we have a space where you can put your stuff. The same buttons for the light. They don't feel like super good quality, but they are nice. Also the vents, they feel nice as you touch it. Not the best, but nice. Also here we have soft material on the dashboard, kind of a rubber, or not sure what is the material, but it's soft. Here we have an armrest and a small space, not so big space there. And I think there we have an USB port or an auxiliary port, not sure. I didn't see it so well. Also here we have a cup holder and a space, and then electric handbrake, I like that, and also 12-volt port here. The center console is not so super nice, but it's simple and practical. This is the word, practical. The big stick for changing the gear, a space down here in the front, the climatic system, you know it already, and then the multimedia system, it's great. It's very responsive, nice colors. I like it. It's very simple. You can connect Android, Apple CarPlay. It works so fast. Look at my fingers. I just push it. I think they changed the hardware and the software because it's very responsive. It's much better than before, and I like it. So well done, Opel. Great job on this new Opel Astra with this multimedia system. It's fantastic. The colors are super nice. Also, I like the dashboard. It's simple and straight. You have good visibility on the windows. No problem at all. Also, up here the same. Now, the steering wheel. It's great quality steering wheel. Leather everywhere. Great grip. Nice steering wheel. In the front there we have the digital cockpit. Only in the middle we have a combination of digital cockpit, and on the side we have turometer and speedometer. They are analogic, so you can change what you like to see in the middle. You can also see the navigation or different settings there. So it's pretty cool and pretty simple. I like it very much. The way you can change different settings there. uh, it is super nice, I have to tell you. I like it. Not the best as on the Golf or Volkswagen or Audi or Mercedes or BMW, but it's pretty cool. It's very nice. Big glow box there as well. Nice dashboard with some black glossy plastic. We have LED lights up here on the roof, also a mirror with two lights. Not sure if they are LED, but just two lights. The quality on the roof is also good. The mirror is also okay, the same like on my car, like on my Audi. And also the visibility in the back, even if you have a back camera, it is pretty good. Anyway, guys, I guess that was my short review with the new Opel Astra Tourer or Estate 2019 model facelift. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have a lot of new cars from 2019, also electric. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So bye guys.